Are you ready for 2020 to be the year for the best Chromebook you've ever seen? Well, that's what Samsung and Google think you are ready for anyway by announcing here at CES 2020 the Galaxy Chromebook. Both companies are calling this the best Chromebook ever, and it comes with some very fascinating specs like a 4K AMOLED display, this gorgeous thin and light design that's really in the style of Samsung's latest Galaxy laptops, and can be powered by a 10th generation Intel Core i5 processor, which should be more than enough for all that Chrome OS can do for you. I really love the style of the Galaxy Chromebook. It comes in two colors, this fiery red that we're seeing here, as well as silver for those who don't want to stand out all that much. Another element that makes this design so attractive is the very thin bezels around this 13.3-inch display. There's an onboard Samsung stylus that pops out of the bottom right edge, and you can use it to interact with the touchscreen for drawing or for taking notes on the go. One minor complaint I have with this device is that the keyboard is a little bit shallow, but again, looking at just how thin this profile is, I don't think that's a huge issue. In fact, I was able to bang out some quick sentences very accurately. The keyboard itself is well spaced. The layout here is fine. There are no undersized keys so far. This weighs just 2.27 pounds, and yet it doesn't flex all too much. I mean, I think that Samsung has really started to come into its own with laptop design, considering the Galaxy Book, Flex, and Ion that we saw late last year, as well as the Flex Alpha that's also here at the show. The Galaxy Book series of devices really are maturing into something that has a distinct and stylish design. In addition to the S Pen that I said on board, along the sides you'll get options for two USB-C, a micro SD card reader. There's also a secondary 8-megapixel webcam above the keyboard, and that's for students, for example, who are using this device as sort of a tablet in the classroom and they want to use it to take a photo of the whiteboard and get notes down. But don't fret, you won't be taking your video conference calls from a weird camera angle. There is still a 1-megapixel webcam buried in the top bezel. Even though this is a Galaxy Book style device, the Galaxy Chromebook won't last the 20 or so hours the Galaxy Book S or the Flex and Ion have been estimated to serve. This will come in at around half of that number, about 10 hours. That's also probably because of the screen here, right? A 4K AMOLED display isn't going to last you as long, but it does make for a great viewing experience. We really enjoyed looking at some promo videos of HDR or UHD content. Some quick other specs for you. There's only one configuration available right now. It comes with 8 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of storage, as well as Wi-Fi 6 support. And all of that will be available for $999 when the Galaxy Chromebook retails in the first half of 2020. That gives us some time to check it out. Hopefully we'll get a review unit in before you have to decide whether you're going to spend that money on it. So for all of that and for all the news out of CES 2020, keep it locked and subscribe to Engadget.